This is my first attempt at a video blog, and being as the whole of my life right now seems to be centered around things that doesn't work in Canada, I'm just gonna call it Dear Canada 1. Dear Canada, I would like to congratulate you on coming up with something called Family Day, because we need time to celebrate family, and yes, people do need to spend time together. So yes, you in creating the perfect nation for yourself are very wise in creating Family Day. The next question that I have to ask, everybody who are family drive? If not, then why the bus them now run? I'm confused. Because imagine my surprise when me get up now and go out the door the people them bus stop, which is something I doesn't do in Jamaica. I just want you to know, UPT till it buck. But I go and stand up in the people them -4 weather, waiting to take the bus to go down to Payless to buy some shoes for my off. I stand up there for half an hour and no type of bus don't appear. Now, I did go to the website and the website did explain to me that them can't find any bus to match my trip right now. But due to how something custom to don't function, me say, oh, there's something must work again. So I go over the other side, me look on the route, then me tell me say a pink bus and a green bus, I go run, go up my road and go where them I go. No. I stand up there and no bus don't appear, only to text the one Jamaican that I know here and for her to explain to me that it's Family Day and the bus don't run on Family Day. So I am asking you, is it that the same way that you give people money like welfare and them something there, you give them care once them get family, because otherwise all the family them supposed to do anything, or it is that them after the home activities, or what is it that you're trying to say? I understand that the bus driver them have family, but you don't have some free, single and disengaged bus drivers who don't have anything to do, or you could have paid them like an extra work on Family Day. You don't have anybody who is anti-family. You don't have any anarchists or something like that who is working there. Yes, they might have drive the bus in some type of shed, but them could have put the work in. So you must go to the taxi man now. The taxi man don't have any family. Or because the taxi man is more likely to be an immigrant, you don't really care about his family relationships. I do not understand. And when it is that you're not going to put the bus on the road, just put a big banner on the front page that says, we are not running no bus through by his Family Day, instead of having your little idiot trip fan and tell me foolishness. You understand what I'm saying? It's not that I don't care about you in Canada, but you make it very difficult for me to survive here, and you make it very difficult for me to take it seriously, because I come from the third world, and despite that fact, the things at my house and my yard function better than here. So the next time one of you tell me that I'm from the third world, I'm going to explain to you on the internet slow, on the cell phone service don't work, on the still pay for incoming call. I'm going to explain to you on the bus them don't run regular. All type of things I'm going to explain to you about how it is that when we're in the first world need to keep on them out. Dear Canada, I care about you now, but you're making it hard for me. Sort out yourself. Please. Thanks, Carla.